So I bought a throttle body spacer for the 240. This is everything the kit comes with. The throttle body spacer itself, and then also the extended bolts for it. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it on, and we'll see if it actually does anything. Alright, thanks for watching. So all I needed was a 6mm Allen key to take off the throttle body, and I just had to disconnect the throttle body sensor and the throttle cable and the intercooler piping, and then from there I could take it off. Alright, so the install was pretty easy. It didn't take me that long to do. All I had left to do after I tightened the bolts down was to reconnect the throttle position sensor, then reconnect the throttle cable itself, and then put the turbo coupling back on. So thank you for watching.